Hey there, Fusion Foodies! Welcome back to Fusion Food Adventures. Today, we're stepping inside Le Café Louis Vuitton in Bangkok, where fashion meets flavor. From stunning desserts and looks drinks to reservation tips, and an inside look at the Visionary Journeys exhibition, I've got everything covered. Let's dive in. We were so excited to finally visit Le Café Louis Vuitton in Bangkok. We had our reservation booked weeks in advance. And I'll also walk you through how the reservation process works. So if you're planning to go, don't skip this part. It'll help you get the best time slot and enjoy your visit stress-free. Here's a look at the cafe's website. The booking system wasn't open when I checked, but I wanted to show you how it looks so you'll know what to expect. Le Café Louis Vuitton Bangkok opens reservations on the first day of each month at 8 a.m. Bangkok time, covering the entire upcoming month. For example, if you'd like to visit on October 10th, you need to book on September 1st at 8 a.m. sharp. Once the system opens, all available dates will appear, so act fast, as popular slots are gone within minutes. At Le Café, you'll have 90 minutes to enjoy your experience. And don't forget to bring your confirmation receipt with you. Inside Le Café Louis Vuitton Bangkok, luxury meets comfort. With chic seating, soft lighting, and elegant details, the space feels refined yet inviting. Their menu is just as stylish as the cafe itself. A showcase table presents their signature cakes and delicate desserts, each beautifully crafted and almost like works of art. Quick tip: when you book, the cafe charges a 500 baht deposit per person. Just be sure your order reaches at least that amount, since they don't give change back. Here's another booking tip: if you're not in Thailand, make sure to convert Bangkok time to your local time and set an alarm. Keep your name, email, and phone ready. Reservations fill up really fast. Wow, this cafe is so beautiful. Every corner is Instagram-worthy. This is what we ordered. Honestly, the drinks and beverages were just okay. Nothing too special. This Monogram pistachio cake tastes nutty and creamy, with a texture that just melts in your mouth. The pistachio flavor is subtle but delicious, not too sweet at all. The Thai tea Damier cake features layers of Thai tea ganache, hazelnut, praline, and light madeleine sponge. It's a delicate balance of sweetness and texture that's truly delightful. This Monogram tiramisu cake tastes wonderfully creamy, with a gentle coffee flavor that isn't too strong. It's rich, smooth, and absolutely satisfying in every bite. Now it's time to rate the restaurant. Next up is the bonus part of our visit, and this is a spot my family really enjoyed. Louis Vuitton's Visionary Journeys exhibition is just a 5-minute walk from Le Café. And the best part? It's completely free to visit. Step into Trunkscape by entering through an archway made from 96 classic Louis Vuitton trunks. The perfect start to your journey ahead. Let's move on to the Origins exhibition, where you can explore Louis Vuitton's beginnings in the 19th century. Discover how the brand evolved over time, from its early trunks to iconic designs, highlighting the exceptional craftsmanship and innovation. that built its lasting legacy. Whether you're a Louis Vuitton fan or not, you should visit this place. From stunning art installations to immersive storytelling, the Visionary Journeys exhibition offers a unique and unforgettable experience for everyone. Next, in the icon section, you'll discover some of Louis Vuitton's most famous bags, like the Alma, Speedy, and Petite Mel. Each piece is beautifully displayed inside clear acrylic bubbles, letting you admire the design and craftsmanship up close. Now, in the collaborations section, you'll see Louis Vuitton's exciting artistic partnerships. From chrome-dipped duffels to creations by artists like Yayoi, Steven Sprouse, and even the Supreme collaboration, each piece showcases the brand's creativity and bold design spirit. As a bonus, every guest gets a complimentary Louis Vuitton souvenir at the end of the exhibition. Be sure to pick yours up in the final haul. End your visit in the final Souvenirs Room, a playful space inspired by Bangkok's night markets. Don't miss the vending machine, where you can get a random Louis Vuitton-themed keepsake to take home. Louis Vuitton's Visionary Journeys exhibition is free to visit, but you do need to make a reservation in advance. This is what the website looks like. And it's best to book at least 3 to 5 days ahead. To have more options for your preferred time, each reservation can include up to 5 tickets. And once confirmed, a barcode will be sent to your email. Don't forget to bring it with you when you visit. Check out what we brought home from the Souvenirs Room, these cute postcard sets. We're loving them, and they're full of cool Louis Vuitton facts. Honestly, this exhibition is worth every single minute. And that's a wrap on our visit to Louis Vuitton Cafe and the Visionary Journeys exhibition. From delicious desserts to stunning art, it was truly unforgettable. Thank you for watching. See you next Saturday. And don't forget, keep tasting the world one bite at a time.